Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will show you how to add a scene into Tour Creator. First, you need to open up your tour, and once you open it, at the bottom left-hand corner, you will be prompted with an Add Scene link. Click on that link, and now you could either use Google Street View images for your scene, or you can upload your own. If you want to upload your own, click on Upload, select 360-degree image option, and find your 360-degree image from your device. Click Open, and that image will be uploaded into your scene. Click the Add Scene button at the bottom right corner. You can adjust your image so that it starts at a certain point of view. At the right side, add a scene title, add a location, add a description, you can add narration and sound to the scene as well. You can click on the speaker to add ambient sound effects, but you need to make sure that you have an audio file, which is an MP3 file, available for you. Same with narration. You can select an MP3 audio file for your narration. Once this is completed here, you are done. You can add another scene to your tour. I hope you found this screencast helpful.